Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of speed. You might have heard terms like Mach speed, supersonic jets, and hypersonic missiles, but what do they really mean? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of speed categories, Mach numbers, and how they apply to planes, rockets, and even space travel. So, buckle up, and let's get started. Before we explore speed categories, let's first understand Mach speed. The term, Mach, is named after Ernst Mach, an Austrian physicist who studied sound and speed. Mach 1 means you are traveling at the speed of sound, which is about 1,235 km per hour, 767 miles per hour, at sea level. The speed of sound changes depending on factors like air pressure and temperature. For example, in colder air at high altitudes, the speed of sound is lower. Now, let's explore how speeds are classified based on Mach numbers. First, we have subsonic speed, which means slower than the speed of sound. Most commercial planes, cars, and trains travel at subsonic speeds. A Boeing 747 flies at about Mach 0.85, 900 km per hour, or 560 miles per hour. Since the air moves smoothly around subsonic objects, they experience less turbulence and noise. As we get closer to Mach 1, we enter the transonic range, Mach 0.8 to Mach 1.2. Here, the airflow around an object becomes unstable, creating shock waves, which are rapid pressure changes in the air. This is why breaking the sound barrier was so difficult in the early days of aviation. When a jet reaches Mach 1, it produces a sonic boom, a loud explosion-like sound. The first person to break the sound barrier was Chuck Yeager in 1947 in the Bell X-1 jet. Next up is supersonic speed, which means faster than Mach 1. This is where military fighter jets, some experimental planes, and even Concorde, the famous supersonic passenger jet, fall. A well-known supersonic plane is the SR-71 Blackbird, which could fly at Mach 3.3, 4,000 km per hour or 2,500 miles per hour. Supersonic travel is much faster, but it causes sonic booms, making it impractical for commercial flights over land. Now things get extreme. Hypersonic speed. Anything traveling above Mach 5, 6,174 km per hour or 3,836 miles per hour, is considered hypersonic. At these speeds, the air around the object becomes so compressed that it generates intense heat, requiring special heat-resistant materials. One of the fastest hypersonic aircraft ever built was NASA's X-43 scramjet, which flew at Mach 9.6, 11,856 km per hour or 7,360 miles per hour. As we go beyond Mach 10, we enter the high hypersonic range. Spacecraft like the Space Shuttle re-enter Earth's atmosphere at Mach 25, 30,625 km per hour or 19,000 miles per hour. At these speeds, the friction from the air is so high that the surface of the spacecraft glows red hot, reaching temperatures of 1,650 degrees Celsius, 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This is why spacecraft need heat shields to protect them from burning up. Above Mach 25, we reach orbital speed, the speed needed to stay in space. For example, the International Space Station, ISS, orbits Earth at Mach 28, 27,600 km per hour or 17,150 miles per hour. Rockets like SpaceX's Starship must reach these speeds to escape Earth's gravity. So, from slow-moving subsonic speeds to hypersonic weapons and space travel, speed is an incredible part of science and technology. Which speed category amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one.